powerful hook, expanded science. You think kale salad is just another green dish, something light, something simple, something people eat when they want to look healthy. But inside your body, this single leaf starts a silent biological chain reaction. Within minutes of chewing, mechanical digestion begins. Your jaw muscles break the fibrous structure. Saliva releases enzymes like amylase, sending early chemical signals to your stomach. Your nervous system responds. Your gut-brain axis activates. Hormones prepare your digestive organs for incoming nutrients. Your digestion changes. Your blood chemistry begins to shift. Your cells receive molecular signals that something different has entered the system. This is not just food. This is biochemical communication. This is what really happens when you eat kale salad. What makes kale different? Expanded. Kale is not lettuce. It is not spinach. It is not just another leafy green. Kale belongs to the cruciferous vegetable family, the same biological group as broccoli, cabbage, and Brussels sprouts. Cruciferous vegetables contain unique sulfur-based compounds that scientists study for disease prevention. In the United States, kale is widely used by professional athletes, sports nutritionists, preventative medicine doctors, and longevity researchers. Kale is dense in vitamin A, essential for vision and immune defense; vitamin C, critical for tissue repair and immunity; vitamin K, necessary for blood clotting and bone health; calcium for muscle contraction and nerve signaling; iron for oxygen transport in red blood cells; polyphenols, powerful antioxidants; glucosinolates, compounds linked to detoxification. Unlike processed foods, kale delivers nutrients with very low caloric load. This means your body receives high biological value without energy overload. Inside your stomach, expanded. When kale salad reaches your stomach, the environment becomes acidic. Hydrochloric acid activates digestive enzymes like pepsin. These enzymes begin breaking down plant proteins and fiber structures. Kale fiber absorbs excess acid, creating a buffering effect. This prevents irritation of the stomach lining. Digestion slows down, but this is a positive slowdown. Slower digestion allows better mineral absorption, improved enzyme efficiency, reduced blood sugar spikes. The stomach sends signals to the small intestine, preparing it for nutrient transfer. This process improves overall digestive efficiency. Gut cleaning and microbiome, expanded. As kale fiber enters the intestines, it performs mechanical and biological functions. Insoluble fiber adds bulk. Soluble fiber feeds beneficial gut bacteria. Over time, this fiber acts like a soft internal brush, gently cleaning intestinal walls. Old waste material that remained stuck for years begins to move out. At a microscopic level, gut bacteria populations shift. Pathogenic bacteria slow down. Beneficial bacteria, such as lactobacillus and bifidobacterium, begin to multiply. This bacterial balance improves nutrient absorption, immune signaling, mood regulation, and inflammation control. Your gut becomes healthier, lighter, and more efficient. Heart and blood effects, expanded. Once nutrients pass the gut barrier, they enter the bloodstream. Antioxidants from kale neutralize free radicals, unstable molecules that damage cells. Chronic inflammation decreases, blood viscosity improves, endothelial function, the health of blood vessel walls, improves. Vitamin K supports proper blood clot regulation. Potassium supports vascular relaxation. Arteries become more flexible. Blood flows with less resistance. The heart does not need to pump as aggressively. Over time, this reduces cardiovascular strain. This is why regular kale consumption is linked to better heart health, brain, energy, and skin. Expanded. Cleaner blood reaches the brain. Oxygen delivery improves. Neurons function more efficiently. Neurotransmitter balance stabilizes. Mental clarity improves. Focus sharpens. Brain fog reduces. Energy production becomes steadier due to balanced blood glucose response. At the same time, vitamins and antioxidants reach skin cells. Collagen protection improves. Cell repair increases. Oxidative damage slows. Skin appears healthier not because of cosmetics, but because of internal support. Final message. Expanded. Kale salad is not a miracle cure. It will not transform your body overnight. But biology does not work overnight. Cells adapt. Systems respond. Habits compound. When eaten consistently, kale supports your gut, your blood, your heart, your brain, and your immune defense. Small biological signals, repeated daily, shape long-term health outcomes. Sometimes, real change starts with one simple leaf. Transition from gut to blood. Deep. In part 1, you saw what kale does inside your stomach and gut. But digestion is only the beginning, because once nutrients cross the intestinal wall, they enter your bloodstream. And blood is not just a transport system, it is a communication network. Every cell in your body listens to what your blood carries. The moment kale-derived nutrients enter circulation, your entire biological system starts responding. Blood cleaning mechanism. Expanded. Inside your bloodstream, free radicals are constantly forming. They are produced by stress, pollution, processed foods, and poor sleep. Free radicals damage cell membranes, DNA, and proteins. Kale provides polyphenols and flavonoids that neutralize these unstable molecules. This process reduces oxidative stress. Blood becomes less inflammatory. Red blood cells maintain flexibility. Oxygen transport improves. This is not detox in a dramatic sense. This is cellular protection. Your blood becomes a safer environment for your organs. Heart health at cellular level. The heart responds directly to blood quality. When inflammation drops, arterial walls relax. Nitric oxide signaling improves, allowing blood vessels to dilate naturally. Potassium from kale helps regulate heart rhythm, muscle contraction, and blood pressure balance. Vitamin K supports calcium placement in bones and prevention of calcium buildup in arteries. Over time, this reduces arterial stiffness. Your heart pumps more efficiently with less mechanical stress. This is why heart health is built quietly, not suddenly. Brain oxygen and neural support. The brain consumes about 20% of your body's oxygen. Cleaner blood means better oxygen delivery, improved glucose utilization. Antioxidants protect neurons from oxidative damage. Vitamin B-related compounds support neurotransmitter synthesis. This leads to better focus, faster cognitive processing, and reduced mental fatigue. People often describe this as mental clarity, but biologically, it's simply efficient fuel delivery. Energy stability, deep science. Energy crashes are often blood sugar crashes. Kale's fiber slows carbohydrate absorption. This prevents insulin spikes. Stable insulin means stable energy, reduced cravings, less fatigue. Mitochondria, the power plants of cells, function better when oxidative stress is low. This is why energy from healthy food feels calm, not aggressive. This is not stimulation, no caffeine, no artificial boost. This is biological support. And when support continues daily, adaptation follows. But the story is not finished yet. Weight control, deep biology. Weight gain is rarely about calories alone. It involves hormones, gut bacteria, and insulin response. Kale is low in calories, but high in volume and fiber. Stretch receptors in the stomach activate. The brain receives fullness signals. Hunger hormones like ghrelin reduce. Satiety hormones increase. This naturally reduces